Hi, I'm Hawk from Cheyenne US Repair, and today I'm going to talk about repair service on the Cheyenne website. You're going to go to the CheyenneTattoo.com website, and you're going to go to Service, and you're going to select Repair Service. You'll see at the top the Europe repair service. Below Europe, you'll see US and Canada repair service. You're going to download the repair form and the shipping instructions. Completely fill out that repair form, and everything else you need to know is on that second page, the shipping instructions. If you have any further questions about US-Canada repair for your Cheyenne products, you can email us at us.repair@CheyenneTattoo.com. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos in this 8-part series, Cheyenne Service and Repair. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.